is Tonya Johnson, and I'm pursuing my Bachelor of Science in Multimedia Design and Development. Multimedia is a combination of different mediums to communicate. This medium uses video, music, text, and images to showcase some of who I am as a designer. Logo designs are usually made with Illustrator, however, new technology is moving towards interactive logos. Social media marketing is expanding towards multimedia platforms such as videos, short infographics, and graphics with typography. Print marketing uses images, graphics, and typography to compel viewers. For fun, I like to explore and expand my studies to create designs I care about. The following are personalized holiday cards I created for my 6 kids.